So guys, look closely. You see that this account is monetized. And so far, this account has given me $8.83. You can see it very clearly. So this is not just a hype. This account has over 1.1k subscribers and it is currently monetized. Let me show you the secret on how to monetize your YouTube account faster. Without wasting time, let's get down to business. So guys, I was just searching on the internet on how to get my account monetized faster. I was looking for every means. In fact, someone told me that you can boost your subscribers so that you get monetized faster. But don't you ever try that, because those subscribers will be inactive. But I found out a secret, an important secret that worked out for me. Not everybody knows about this secret, but the people that know about this secret, monetization is very, very easy for them. And a lot of faceless YouTube account has been doing this, has been using this secret to get their account monetized. And I'm going to expose this secret in this particular video. So what is this secret that these people are using? So one of the secrets that these people are using is that they accumulate subscribers very fast by going on live stream. And they don't just go on live stream, because when you go on live stream and then you show your face and you are just making talking and not rendering much value, you won't accumulate much viewers. Viewers will come and scroll through. So what they do is that they look for one engaging video. Maybe it's not their video, maybe the video they see online or anywhere. They just look for one engaging video, be it animal video, be it cats, be it AI videos, and then they stage it on live. They use restream software and restream, and that gives them a lot of subscribers. So that is one of the secrets to accumulate subscribers and watch hours very fast in order to get monetized. So what you need to do is to start going on live. Once you start going on live stream, 24 hours on live stream, you start consistently going on live stream, you are definitely going to be attracting subscribers. But the best way of doing it, instead of using restream software, you can stage your video on live stream. If you have a faceless YouTube channel, you can create your faceless video and stage it on live stream. If you are using your face like me now, you can just come on live stream and then do whatever you want to do, talk with your audience, interact with them. By so doing, your impression will start going up. Your subscribers will also start going up. And this is the best way to do it. This is a secret most of the small channels are using. If you enjoyed this video or you found this video very valuable, click the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section and I will tell you what next to do and how to do it.